Good morning and welcome to One Tip a Day by Hariharan. Today we are going to see a few more tips from Telegram. Open Telegram. When you open Telegram and select a person to whom you want to send a message, you will see a clip symbol in the bottom. When you touch the clip symbol, you've got a lot of things appearing in the bottom: gallery, file, location, contact, music, YouTube, and GIF. Today we are going to see what all those things indicate. Let us go one by one. So I open the place where I want to send the message. I go and touch the clip symbol in the bottom. The first thing is the gallery, and in the gallery you can see one place. You can see my camera taking the photograph, and if you touch the gallery, you can see the gallery opens here. I can select any photo I want. There are editing options in the bottom. I can crop, I can rotate the photos. I can even do some writing or painting work. I can choose the color I want here. You can see the color changes here, and I can add an emoji I want. If you want, I can add a sticker. I can do that. I can add a text, HELLO, hello. So I can do whatever. I can change the text color as you see here, and after doing everything, what I can do is that I say done. You can see I can make the marker pen also here. See, it becomes thicker, and you can change the color. Marker pen can make it an arrow. See, wherever I draw, it will become an arrow. At the end of the thing, there will be an arrow. So I can do everything, and when I say it is done, I can just send the message. You can see my edited message has been sent. The next thing here is the file. When I touch the file, the gallery opens here, and I can transfer any file I want. You can see when I touch the file, it is asking for internal storage, Telegram, gallery. If I say internal storage, it will ask you for which place the file is. If I select documents, and I want a document here, I want to share the document, I select the document, and if I want, I can add a caption here, digital, and say send. You can see the file has been sent. And the next option is location. In the location, you have got two options here. One is you can say send my current location. When I say send my current location map goes to the person to whom I want to send. Once they get this, they can open it, and you can see below it says directions. When you touch directions, it will ask for whether you want Browse, Uber, or Chrome, whichever you want. You can select. If you select map, it will show the directions how to reach my current location. So if you are in a coffee shop or somewhere waiting for someone, or if you want to share your location, waiting for someone somewhere, you can share your current location so that they can find out the direction and reach you. This is a very useful app, because whenever we say we want to meet some people somewhere, you can use this to share your location and they can reach. The next thing is poll. So whenever I am posting a lot of messages, I can ask my audience to let me know whether they are interested in what I do. So I can select poll. I can ask a question. Do you like my videos? And I can put an answer. Yes, not an option. No, one more option. Okay. And I can say create. Now you can see I have created a poll. So whenever you send this message to anybody, they can look at the poll, and if they want, they can say yes, and just the poll is recorded. Once they record the poll, I will be able to come to know what is the majority people. You can see only 1%, 100%, no is 0%, okay is how much percentage. Likewise, you will get a data from which you can understand what is the opinion of the people. So that is the poll button. Next thing is music. This is to share the music. You can search music from wherever you want or from your internal file and send the file as it is. Suppose I want to send this file, I can send it. It will go. Suppose I want to search any particular music and send it also, I can send it. The next is YouTube. Here what happens is I can go and search from YouTube the video I want to send. You can search for any videos. For example, if you want to send a video of typing tips, you can see that automatically the video will be searched, and you can see that a lot of options are coming on the left side. So every time you can select the video you want to send, and once you select the video you want to send, you can just send it, and people who like to see the video can see the video, and if they want they can press the like button, otherwise they can press the display button, or they can go and search also. So like this you can share videos directly from YouTube to your recipients. Next is GIFs. I have already talked to you about GIFs. You can select the GIF you want. Suppose I want the GIF of Mr. Bean. You can select Mr. Bean. You get a lot of GIFs of Mr. Bean, and you can select whichever you want and send it. So that is how you send a GIF directly from Telegram. So these are the features you get when you touch the clip symbol in your Telegram. So I thought you would have enjoyed the video. The next video we will see more tips. This is Hariharan signing off on behalf of Mind Tuners. Have a great day. Bye.